Check this out, guys. This is incredible. We got some REM testing going on here at Mont-Royal Station. And this is actually simulating service, I believe. Let's see if the doors open. Yeah, they're opening. Haha, so cool. I don't hear the chimes, but you can clearly see the lights are working. There's one on the other side as well. Now we're going to do a little walk around here. So this video is going to be quite interesting because I'm going to also include in this video some drone footage of some REM testing going on here, which I'll put at the end of the video. But for now, let's check this out. Let's do a little walk around here. So yeah, it is indeed 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Just had to double check because the screen here, I noticed, was off a little bit, the time, at least a few seconds off. So yeah, we're gonna walk around here, guys. I'll show you a little tour of the station here, and we'll also maybe get to see some track switching going on. So again, at the end of this video, you will see some drone footage of the REM testing going on. There, if you look, I'll zoom in here, you can see the display. It's interesting how it's moving like that. I don't remember the REM display doing that. Usually it's fixed, it's in a static display. So here again, we're gonna, one more time, check out the train here. The doors are going to open, and we'll do a walk around here. Nobody's on these trains. There's no workers, there's no testers, there's no guys on these trains here. Just empty trains, I guess, doing their thing. Hopefully soon we will have the ability to actually go in here and take the REM. So this one seems to be stationary. Don't know what's happening here. It doesn't look like the doors are opening, at least yet. But let's go over here. I'm going to see if I can get over here in time. There's a vent. There's a really cool vent. If you go over here on this side, if I can go through the back here. Now I'm going to have to go through the street. So there's a view of the station illuminated at night, as you can see. Really beautiful lighting. And of course, this here has been here for a while, this restaurant. And of course, this is town of Mont-Royal, or Ville-de-Mont-Royal, if you want to call it that in French. There's where the 165 is, along with some other buses. And I think at one point this was actually the original train station. Now it's some kind of restaurant. But that's been there for a while. So we're going to go over here. I'll show you guys the only entrance. I was going to say the main entrance. I think this is the only entrance to the station here. And this is, see if I can get to this vent here in time. So this is a pretty cool area. If you ever want to come at nighttime, it's probably better. Look at this, we have a nice vent here. I just did a YouTube short on this vent here. You can actually see the REM trains passing through the vent. That one that was just there, I don't know if we're going to see it. Seems to, I don't know if it's still parked there. Anyways, this is actually on Kenora, 1300 Kenora. I'll zoom in here. Here's another cool thing. And there's the display. Obviously, I don't know if it's accurate or not, but indeed it is there. And you can see Deux-Montagnes, two mountains. And down here you can see A2, A3, A4, and the different platforms and whatnot. So there are workers inside here in the station itself, but like I said, I didn't see any on the trains being tested. Here it comes. Oh, it's on the other side, go figure. That's another train on the other side. So the one that we saw parked will probably be pulling out shortly from the station. So yeah, there's a vent on each side here. which is pretty cool actually, because it fits right in with the design of the station. So everything's symmetrical. So we have looks like some bike racks here, bike racks over on this side. Let's see if we can get that train through the vent, guys. Let's check it out. We're gonna go over here later. I'll zoom in right down there. That's facing towards the south, and the other stations are there as well. Of course, we have the Mount Royal Tunnel in that direction. I think one other station as well. So I don't know if this train is going to leave or not. I'll pause the video and see if we can catch it through the vent. So it looks like testing may be over now for the night. Check this vent here. I don't think so. No, nothing here. So I think testing is ended for the night. But what I'll do, guys, I will add the video that I took earlier. It's in the vertical form because it's a short. But I will include that. So again, I'm going to wrap this section up of the video. I'll probably come back here another time. Here's another interesting ventilation area. Could be used for REM spotting as well. Don't know what they're going to do with this here. Looks a bit messy, disorganized, but anyways, so now this section of the video coming up will be the REM footage I got earlier in the night from the drone. So thanks for watching, and more videos to come. Enjoy the next part of the video. Should be interesting.